For as long as there have been technological advancements in robotics and artificial intelligence, a terrifying question has been looming in our minds. Will machines replace us one day? There have been countless movies, series, books, etc. written about AI and robots' inevitable replacement of the human workforce. The latest concern is that ChatGPT will replace programmers. But is this something we really need to worry about? The world of artificial intelligence has expanded exponentially overnight. Every day we see more art generated using artificial intelligence art synthesis. And we have even seen the first ever short film wholly written and directed by an AI. The same AI can program simple lines of code, raising the question, will ChatGPT replace programmers someday? Welcome to AI Insights. Subscribe now so you never miss out on any of our latest uploads. Okay, let's get into the video. The concerns. Mike Abel brought up the interesting topic with a Facebook post, pointing out how ChatGPT has exploded in popularity in the last few months alone. There have been reports of large technology companies laying off large amounts of their employees and investing a lot of money in creating and developing artificial intelligence programs. As it is, Microsoft has introduced an aspect of AI into a few of its programs. For example, it works on a program that can synthesize anyone's voice with just a few seconds of audio reference. So what happens when a workforce gets replaced by robotics or AI? It is a smart choice for companies. A computer doesn't need to sleep or eat, doesn't burn out creatively, only mechanically, doesn't have a family they need to provide for, and doesn't get sick or need leave days. A computer is a perfect worker, the perfect employee. But what happens to the people? So Abel mentions that while it might make sense for a company to move towards an option that would be cheaper in the long run, they don't have to worry about paying a salary with a computer. The company can't just think about the benefit brought to them. For example, suppose an entire sector of the employment market is taken over by machines. In that case, a total workforce is left jobless in a field they have specialized in. That means an entire group of working class citizens are left without a means to provide for their families. So while technology is undoubtedly the way to go in the future, Abel reminds us that even employers are human and need to think about the humanitarian aspect of replacing their workforce with machines. Furthermore, technology is advancing at a pace that is far more rapid than the pace of creating new jobs for those that might lose them in this inevitable significant shift towards AI and machines. Another important aspect of programming is that programmers have to be able to analyze problems with code and come up with solutions that require logic and creativity. So a machine might run on pure reason, but it doesn't have originality or critical thinking, especially not on the human level. So a programmer can come up with a solution that is both elegant and highly efficient, says Wen, making them more valuable than AI. Wen also mentioned that programmers don't just produce code. They also fix bugs, keep improving their existing code for newer release versions, and work with a whole development team to do this. ChatGPT is a great tool that can make programmers' jobs a little simpler for them. Okay, that's it for today. If you enjoyed this episode and you found it helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel for more content just like this. Well, thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.